This is our first camp spot. It's next to my parents' old house in Florida. This is where we're gonna work on the RV the next 2 months. We really lucked out. We have electric and water here and some very patient neighbors. But it's really nice.
Today is January 1st, 2018. We begin the new adventure today. We started taking off the cabinets to paint them white, as you do when you're a millennial in a car.
We're just starting. It looks like a tremendous amount of work. Man, I wish we hadn't ripped the couch and dinette out of here already. But we already started, we made a mark, and now begins countless hours of doing my favorite thing, which is painting.
We're here at Aunt Donna's garage workshop. And it's kind of like we bought a Groupon for how to do this Pinterest project. And she's helping us with her electric sander, and we're getting the cabinets ready to paint. Now that the primer's dry, we're putting our first coat, oh no. Now that the primer's dry, we're putting on our first coat of paint. And Aunt Donna says, no oogies. So I'm just trying to make sure there's no oogies. See, this is an oogie. We just had Aunt Donna in here, which just, I don't know, the elusive Aunt Donna. We can't get her on camera. She runs away and hides. But we're so lucky to have her because we brought her over here just to like get some insight on like how to treat the walls and how to prime them, and this feels gross. We're going in. We're painting the walls of the RV today. We have now again taken everything that we own out of the RV so that it doesn't get dusty and dirty, and paint cover it. But we're super motivated today because it's a Sunday and so neither of us have work, and it's finally like 75 degrees in Florida, and here we go! Woo! See, painting always looks more fun on camera because it's usually edited with a fun montage or something. It's just really time consuming. But I really like painting. It's just kind of relaxing to be over here. I feel like I'm the kid paint by numbers, and Tim is adding the finesse because I'm just like rolling this around and he doesn't trust me to be careful with the lines. Hey, today I'm painting the kitchen! And guess what color we're painting it? So we're painting the cabinets black, not because we're creative geniuses, but because basically we saw that Mountain Modern Life did it, and it looks gorgeous. This is what you want to see. This is what you want to see. Oh my, oh, zebra! Oh, let's leave it! Oh, no, now it's, oh, I hate it. You guys ever doing your kitchen? Like, how are you doing it? Black? Oh my god, that's amazing.
These are exciting times. Most of the painting is done. Not all of the painting though. Gotta let it dry plenty, but we can finally start taking stuff like this microwave that's been sitting here stubbing toes for the past 2 weeks.
Maybe we should wipe off all that dust on the top.
No, it's good, it's seasoned. I've already told Allison that I'm never painting anything again in my life. I'm just, in the most positive way ever, I'm done with painting.
Well, that looks nice.
It actually kind of does, doesn't it?
And then here are the lower cabinets. Here is 2 coats of black paint. And it's looking good. The camera probably can't pick up. Oh yeah, you can see a little bit, just how it's like, you need a little bit. You need one more coat.
Always one more coat.
Always one more. We're excited about the black. Come with me into the restroom. Oh, this looks nice on camera. Here is the second layer of Tsunami.
Well,
wow.
then we can stop. If it looks good on camera, we don't have to paint it. I asked Allison earlier if she wanted me to record her doing this paint. She said no, because I'm going to get too stressed, because it's going to be very messy. So here's her doing the paint.
Today's episode brought to you by milk. Got milk? On your countertops. my gosh, it's this huge rush, and like we've just given ourselves an arbitrary deadline, so there's not a rush, but the rush is that we're ready to leave tomorrow morning, and this just in. We just removed the bolts from the slide out, and now we can finally put it in the sofa that we've been carrying around for 4 months. Tim just hung this really cool butcher block for our cutting board, and Tim's been like doing like sawing, and I've been working on a thank you gift because we've been like staying at Tim's parents for 2 months, and that's important too. You can't just like blow in and blow out. So even though we're kind of doing that, today's the day. Can you believe it? We cannot. And it's so nice because all of our friends in the neighborhood here have been helping us and coming over to say goodbye, and it's kind of emotional because we've had quite a journey here with everybody. We got a really beautiful piece of art from our neighbor that we have been parked next to, and just all the help from Tim's family that we have gotten, like just, I mean, everything, the caulking, the cabinets, the painting, the curtains, so thank you guys for everything. It was certainly a group effort to get us to this point, and we are just so excited. We don't know anything about RVing. We've only slept in the RV like 4 nights. So there's gonna be quite a learning curve. We are certainly not the experts. I just remember when we first got to Germany on the last trip, we couldn't pay for the taxi, we didn't have local currency, the credit card didn't work in the taxi, we had to like go to 2 different banks to try to just like pay him. So that all happened, within like the first few hours of the first leg of the journey. So who knows what is about to happen here as we embark on Tripped RV.